Hi guys, welcome to Eko Beach City, situated at Abijo Ibeju Lekki. And you know, as a smart investor, what you look out for when investing your money. Look out for, you first check out the prospect around the environment before you invest your fund. And right now, this property you see in here has a massive value for you to invest your funds. What are you waiting for? Every building in this estate is going to be solar powered. That's to say, you're going to be getting 24 hours power supply. Wow! And around this environment, we have the Lekki Deep Seaport, we have the Dangote Refinery, and we also have the International Airport. What are you waiting for, guys? And one amazing thing is that this property has the title of C of O. Not just a C of O. This is a beachfront property. Guys, you know what it means to own a property in front of the beach. Oh, I told you guys, this is a beachfront property, as you can see. You know the stress related to traffic in Lagos. You can come with your speedboat and drop in your property. You can also fly your helicopter and drop in your property. This is amazing. Is this not wow? Guys, what are you waiting for? Don't wait until it gets too expensive. You can see the gatehouse is already standing, and very soon the perimeter fencing will be up. After that, allocation will be given to those that have successfully completed their payment. Guys, what are you waiting for? 300 square meter goes for 15 million naira right now. 500 square meter goes for 25 million naira now. And 1000 square meter goes for 45 million naira. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.
Go your work, go but they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase and it no go stop. Probabafx go but stole the world.
Forex money, making money. There's somebody, it's shop for you. Forex money, making money. There's somebody, it's shop for you. It's shop. Probabafx shop for